Blessed and happy Monday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear good people of God, faithful followers of the Daily Gospel Reflection with Father Jack, my dear kababayans. Today is July 21st, 2025, and today is Monday within the 16th week in Ordinary Time, Year C. Today's Gospel is from the beautiful and the wonderful account of the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 12, verses 38 to 42. You know, there are times in life when we cry to heaven asking for a sign, a light in the dark, a miracle in the storm, or just a simple word to know that God still sees you. In today's gospel, the Pharisees asks Jesus for a sign, but not out of faith, but out of the hardness of their heart. And Jesus respond not with thunder or with wonders, but with a quiet and mysterious truths. And he said, no sign will be given except the sign of Jonah. It may seem like a refusal, but actually it's not. It is an invitation to trust deeper, an invitation to believe deeper, not because of what we see, but because of who God is. The sign of Jonah is the sign of a buried hope. 3 days in darkness, swallowed by death, but also a sign of resurrection. It is the story of a pain that leads to purpose, silence that gives way to salvation. And isn't that our story as well, my dear friends? When our prayers seem unanswered and life feels stuck between the Good Friday and story of Easter Sunday, today's gospel reminds us that God is still working even in the waiting, because the greatest sign of His love is not always found in the miracles, but in the cross, in the quiet suffering that transforms, in the tomb that becomes the doorway to a new life. My dear friends, my dear followers, if you are in the season where no sign seems to come, take heart. Don't be discouraged. Never give up. The Lord has not forgotten you. His greatest answer was already given, and that is Himself. The greatest sign is God Himself. He entered the silence, carried the sorrow, and walked through death for all of us. When there is no sign, remember, you have to remember the empty tomb. When there is no voice, remember His pierced hands. That is your sign. And it is enough. Because love, when buried deep, always rises again. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.